How do you reset the service counter on a TX1000, 1300, 700, basically anything with this new style console? So you'll want to go in to the console and go into settings, go into protected menus, enter in 1, 2, 3, 4, and unlock. I've already done it, so there's usually a check mark right here in the center, and you hit the center button to unlock the menu. Then you'll go back out. Then you will go into service, hours, scroll down to engine service, and reset your timer. And you can go on and do your hydraulic service as well. So thanks for watching. As always, you can get any of your parts at dingopower.com. Reach out to us by phone or email if you don't find what you're looking for. Thank you.